Khatron ke khiladi I would like to do. They don't like me for some reason. Because I love stunts. I love stunts. I love pushing my boundaries. I love feeling fear. Anurag Kashyap says this really cool thing about, when you do a project, you should just एक बार खत्म करना, leave it. उसके पीछे मत भागो. चलो, I give you your first show. You're an influencer. I'm an actor. I give you your first show, and you act for shit.
So अगर इश्क सुभान अल्लाह की बात करें तो how has life changed for you after the show as an actor? Like in the past 6 months क्या कुछ बदला है जिंदगी?
लाइफ, पूरी लाइफ चेंज हो गई. वो शो मेरी लाइफ थी, बन गई थी. मैंने उसे अपनी लाइफ की तरह ही ट्रीट किया था. मैंने कोशिश की थी कि हर दिन, हर घंटा, लाइक आई ट्राइड कि एवरी वेकिंग आवर आई गिव इट माई बेस्ट, राइट. तो जब आप किसी भी चीज़ को इतना देते हो, वो पूरे प्रोजेक्ट, वो डायरेक्टर ईशा, आर को स्टार्स, just that entire project, I felt I gave the best I could. I could have given more, I know that, but at that point I did the best I could. And what happens with that is, जब आप कोई भी चीज़ को इतनी शिद्दत से करो ना, तो it becomes you.
Right, absolutely.
The whole thing becomes you. It's not a show anymore, because we were shooting. I'd leave the house at 7 in the morning. I'd come home at 11 at night, and this is going on for 2.5 years. No social life, barely any other life. This was the only life that I had, so it became me. So all of a sudden, not having that became. It was weird because I don't know. It was a mixed bag of emotions, yaar. Because I wanted to finish it. Honestly, I wanted to finish the show. I wanted to move on to another thing, but those characters and creating art, so to say, was just something else. I don't know.
So how has it been detaching from, because since 3 साल का वक्त था, and like you said, you was giving your 200%, and we've seen you do that. तो कितना ज़्यादा मतलब difficult रहा detaching from the entire emotion called Ishq Subhan.
I guess not. No, it wasn't too hard. It was painful, yes. It wasn't too hard because see, like, look, at that moment it was fine for me, but now there are moments where I miss the work. I miss the scenes. I miss the creation. But honestly, detaching wasn't hard because I think it was time to move on. I felt my heart was telling me it's time. So no, detaching wasn't hard. It's just, you get these spurts of like emotion, like you miss it, you miss those things, you miss the people, you miss that set. Like, okay, I'll tell you what was weird. Like, how it gets weird for me. I left my emotion the day I left. The day I was leaving, the last day where I read the end, that was the worst I was. Like, I was really, like, my heart felt heavy. I don't know, I couldn't understand it. Because मैं ज़्यादा emotional नहीं हूँ. यानी इस मामले में, चीज़ों से, ये वो मैं, I don't care. But that day थोड़ा heavy हो गया heart, ऐसा, what the hell's happening? दूसरे दिन show ख़त्म हो गया था. दूसरे दिन I went to pack up my stuff. It was fine. I was chatting to someone like about 2 महीने पहले, and they sent me a photo of an award that I had left in my room. And I was like, wait, what? Then I connected the dots. I was like, oh, he's sitting in my room. So I messaged this actor. I said, bro, you're in my room. He's like, no, my co-star, like the people who are doing a show in the same studio. So one of the friends saw my award in his friend's room. So उसने photo भेजा. That got me really weird. I was like, that वो award, best जोड़ी का award था, वो रह गया उधर. And वो छोटा, and मेरा कमरा बहुत छोटा था, but मैं उससे बहुत प्यार करता था. I loved my small room because it was mine. It was my small room, and that room was so all the, like, then the memories came flooding back, and you're like, you had some, life changed for me in that room. So, like, literally Adnan Khan's life changed so much. So, yeah, that room makes me weird, and like these kind of things make me weird.
Okay, so ज़ारा और रणवीर की अगर बात करें, आप दोनों की केमिस्ट्री को लोगों ने काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद किया था. तो कब नेक्स्ट, क्योंकि अगर नेक्स्ट म्यूजिक वीडियो मिलता है या नेक्स्ट कोई प्रोजेक्ट ही मिलता है, कब देखेंगे फैंस के साथ?
मैं तो ट्राई कर रहा हूँ बहुत जल्द. आई एम ट्राइंग टू वर्क ऑन समथिंग विच would require her एक्सपर्टीज़, मैं बहुत कोड वर्ड में अभी बात करूँगा बिकॉज आई फील मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बताता हूँ मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ और चीज़ें स्लो हो जाती, तो मैं आपको अभी डिटेल्स नहीं बताऊँगा, बट आई एम करंटली वर्किंग ऑन समथिंग दैट वुड रिक्वायर एक्सपर्टीज़ एंड या सून होपफुली.
ओके, सो नेक्स्ट किस चीज़ में आपको फैन देखिए, क्योंकि अब शो हो चुका है, गाना हो चुका है, रियलिटी टीवी के बारे में आपका क्या ख्याल है? रियलिटी शोज, खतरों के खिलाड़ी, बिग बॉस.
खतरों के खिलाड़ी I would like to do. They don't like me for some reason.
Okay.
Because I love stunts. I love stunts. I love pushing my boundaries. I love feeling fear and facing it. Not feeling fear per se. I love feeling fear and then facing it. So Khatron ke Khiladi, yes. Big Boss, that's not my cup of tea. I can use my time for other things like writing and maybe directing soon, hopefully. So not those kind of reality shows. But what else is coming out is another song.
Okay.
I did 2 songs in 3 months. I was so crazy. I did 2 songs in 3 months and एक short movie है जो film circuit में है. I don't know what's happening. मैंने ज़्यादा पूछा नहीं उसके बारे में because Anurag Kashyap says this really cool thing about, you know, when you do a project, you should just एक बार खत्म करना, leave it. उसके पीछे मत भागो. Move on to the next one. तो इससे मैं ज़्यादा पूछता नहीं हूँ, but वो कहीं ना कहीं that short film should release soon. Yeah.
ओके, एक चीज़ और अंदर मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी, सोशल मीडिया ने आजकल यू नो इट हैज चेंज्ड एवरीथिंग. सो देयर आर इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हु हैव बिकम एक्टर्स एंड आई थिंक कल ही के दिन आई रेड सोनल ने एक पोस्ट किया था दैट वी आर एक्टर्स, वी आर नॉट इन्फ्लुएंसर्स. सो हाउ हैज दिस अफेक्टेड, मतलब शी सेड दैट इट हैज अफेक्टेड वर्क फॉर एक्टर्स, कि आजकल काम जब एक्टर्स को मिलता है सो इट इज़ ओनली ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द सोशल मीडिया फॉलोअर्स. What do you think of this? How has it affected you? कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आप?
नहीं, I think this Sonal person is probably at the receiving end of some bad luck. But I've been doing rounds of auditions where, trust me, our industry is picking up. Now they're looking at performance at another level. They are so into that stuff that it doesn't matter if you're an influencer, it doesn't matter if you're an actor, it doesn't matter who you are. If you can perform, you're getting the job. End of story.
No social media following.
No, I don't think so. No. Yeah, okay, look, if you're really famous, you get like small breaks and everything. But that's not enough. ब्रेक मिलने से आपको ये मतलब नहीं है कि आपको काम दूसरी बार मिलेगा. आपको काम दूसरी बार इस पे मिलेगा कि आप परफॉर्म कर सकते हो कि नहीं. चलो, I give you your first show, you're an influencer, I'm an actor, I give you your first show and you act for shit, can't perform. You'll get that show, fine, you'll probably finish the show, but उसके बाद, right? The round of auditions that I've been trying to delve into. अभी मैं थोड़ा मेरी दिल की इच्छा है कि I want to do web. I really want to do web. I want to do different characters. I don't want to do. I want to test myself. तो ये auditions पे मुझे realize हो रहा है कि what I thought I could perform is nothing. I've just touched the surface. अभी तो बहुत आगे जाना है. You know, I disagree. Maybe she was at the receiving end of some bad luck. That's it.
Okay, lastly, सारे fans के लिए आपकी fandom के लिए क्या कहना चाहिए?
You guys are crazy. What are you guys doing? I don't understand. What? You guys are amazing. You guys are lovely. The way you all rush to support, don't know why, but the way you all do it, you all remind me of something that I forget, which is that I can count on you guys. That's crazy.